Throw that Glock up on me, we ain't worried, get your head split. Big bank out, I got money, watch her hand big. Diamond shining like a motherfucker on that head shit. Pulling up what for now, I ain't never worried about these bitch ass niggas. Got choppers in the Glock 9, nigga run up with.
Yo, it's your boy back with another vlog. You already know the vibes. So we pulled up to the IKEA store, and basically what we gotta do, we gotta get some runs in. You got the shit box in the back, that one's not running. I gotta fix the axle on that, so that's not gonna be running tonight. But we do got Brandon's STI running, and we got Jason's WRX running. So we gotta see. So let's hop into it. Just for starters, so you guys can see Brandon's STI. He's saying that this is pretty much like bone stock, nothing done to it or anything like that. But I mean, overall, car is super clean. As you guys can see, look at that. Look at fire. You feel me? You feel me? But yes, sir. And then we got Jason's WRX. As you guys can see, he has some mods done to it. You know, fancy schmancy fast boy stuff. You feel me? I boys can see the little tires right there. But other than that, this car pushing P. I ain't even gonna hold you. I never been inside of Brandon's car, so I don't know exactly how fast Brandon's car really is. I'll probably ride with Brandon on the first run, and then hop in with Jason on the second run. I'm not totally sure just yet, but like I said, his car, I've been in his car. I'm gonna drop a few clips in and show you guys like me in the passenger seat of his car when he was on like E85. Not sure if he switched over to back to E, because I know when we did those shots, he was pretty much trying to, you know, go back over to 93, which is pump gas. But other than that, yeah, this car definitely pushes P. All right, y'all boys. So right now we're in Brandon's car. Jason's pulling out. We out. We better go get these runs in. Little cat and mouse. Alright, y'all boys, so that was technically like I want to say run one. Like I said, we're playing like cat and mouse type deal. That's Jason's in the front. Alright, y'all boys, so Jason has the GoPro in his car, so I'll put in that POV throughout that last clip. So other than that, shit's pretty fire. Yo, Brandon's car, okay. I don't think he opening it up like that, but so far like this shit moving. We're talking to him nice.
Jason.
Alright, so now it's our turn. Hold on, who you said signed it?
Bucky Lassick.
Yo, signature, bro. Signature. Man said he got this signed at Subi Fest last year. Yo, that's insane. Hopefully, we can get the shitbox signed. Alright, y'all boys. So, that was basically like a little bit of a runs type deal. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna hold you. Brandon's car, okay, it's pushing P. You feel me? I just got to see in the last one. We're basically playing cat and mouse type deal. Brandon pretty much got in front. Jason was pretty much like cat type deal. But other than that, like, yo, Brandon's car fire. That's my first impression on it, of being inside his car for the first time. It's fire, pushing P for sure. But other than that, I'm gonna get some POVs. Hold on. Christian, how was it?
No hablo mucho inglés, pero nada más puedo decir. It's amazing.
What you say?
Estoy viva.
Yes, sir. Oh, Jacqueline, translate.
I'm not translating nothing.
Yo, bugging. that was for all my Spanish watchers. Y'all know the vibes. Alright, jump boys, so that's the end of another vlog. It was super short, and I ain't gonna lie to you, it was super short. Just wanted to catch in the runs and stuff like that. They couldn't really like do too much because Jason's car is super fucking loud, and we didn't want like cops showing up or anything like that. But other than that, definitely will be coming back out here. Eventually Jason's gonna be grabbing some coils, so as soon as Jason gets some coils, we'll definitely come back out here and run it again. Honestly, this is like something that you really want to do, especially if you're trying to get like a feel for your car, you know, check like your handling, things like that. Definitely recommend doing something like that. Obviously not like on like the main roads or anything like that. Some closed off like this, like we pulled up to the IKEA and we did it. But other than that, shit was dope. Brandon's car pushing P, I ain't gonna hold you. This man say it's stock. I don't feel stock, not even gonna lie to you. But nah, all jokes aside though, his car nice, his car moving. We all seen how Jason's car moves. His car pushes P. But other than that, like I said, highly recommend doing something like this. Super cool, super fun. Once Brandon pulls off, I'm gonna get like a little clip of that just to show you guys. But other than that, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you have done so already. And make sure you guys go ahead and check out the other video where we go and pretty much get Steph's car street tuned. She is gonna be hopping on the dyno, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. As soon as she goes on the dyno, you guys will definitely see that. We're looking at possibly 400 range, possibly even more. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think Steph's car is gonna make. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see more things like this. But other than that, peace.